in order to access MySQL database, we are going to use a web-based tool called phpMyAdmin. So the installation is very straightforward. We're going to get the zip file from the official website and unzip the file and put into a web folder. So let's get started. So I've already copied the URL. So download the URL using wget. So now I have to unzip the file. So unzip is a command in Linux, but unfortunately it's not installed yet. So quickly install unzip. Okay, yep, done. So now we can unzip the file. Yep, done. So there's a folder called phpMyAdmin 4.8.2. So I'm going to rename that quickly and then move that folder to var www.html. That's the document root of Apache. Okay. So phpMyAdmin comes with a default config file. It's called config sample. So we just need to rename that file in order to get phpMyAdmin working. So okay, let's go and access. Yeah, it is forbidden. Yeah, it is actually a SE Linux problem. So we have to check the SE Linux status. It's enforcing. So for now, let's switch off. So the Linux is not going to. Yeah. Okay. So we got access to phpMyAdmin. So now we're going to create Cacti database and Unicode. Okay, database is created. Excellent. Now we're going to create a user called Cacti as well. And simple password. So the user doesn't need all privileges. So I think select insert update delete, probably file. No. Okay, I think that should be enough. Saved. No. Yes, okay. MySQL doesn't allow a simple password, so there's a plugin we have to disable in order to allow a simple password. So I'm going to show how to disable quickly, but it is not recommended, so please don't do it. It's just for the purpose of this tutorial. So go to MySQL. Okay, we are in now. I just say uninstall plugin validate password. Oops. Yep. Okay, uninstalled. So now we just quickly restart the server. Okay, now we have to go back here and create the user. It's there. Add user. Cacti, and very simple password, cacti, cacti. Go. Okay. Okay, we got Cacti database with a user called Cacti.